Okay, everyone, welcome back to an update. So, gold has just gone absolutely parabolic the last couple of days. Almost a 10% rally in 2 days. Now we're seeing a nice big pullback, as makes sense after such a big rally. We're not going to go up forever. I do like this that we tested this last structural point, took all the liquidity from that rally and then rejected right back up. So if this candle can kind of confirm back to the green, that'll be a big indication that this was just a liquidity run and that price is still going to continue to go higher. But we definitely want to be patient and wait for this candle to show us some kind of confirmation, because jumping in too early, this candle could just break right back down, fill this wick, and we could get a bigger downtrend from there. But for now, just be cautious. If you're in longs from here and you're not stopped out by this, just stay in it, hold, and just wait for now. Definitely want to see this confirmation by the end of the day, and then maybe Asia session into tomorrow, we can build back up to making new highs. Bitcoin, huge rejection. It's starting to break out of that consolidation point we've been watching. This is almost 10 weeks of time price is spent here, and now we're looking potentially getting this break. If price doesn't give us some kind of reaction from these areas, that's going to be a confirmation that price is going to want to go lower, and probably going to see next week expand, fill the 80k, and maybe even go and see the 75 low over here. But as of right now, Bitcoin's not looking great. But we've got one more day of price action to really wait and see what it wants to do. Ethereum is going to be the same thing. This last week candle on Ethereum was a red flag at the start of, we talked about at the start of the week, that could see this push lower. Looking like the price is now setting up to expand lower, but we're just going to wait and see if price hasn't done it yet, so we'll wait and see, but it's looking likely, especially being down 7% today. That's a lot of momentum, and 6% on Bitcoin. Tesla is starting to break out of that upward channel we've been watching. Candle hasn't closed yet. There's still an hour and 20 minutes left. We will notice a lot of the time, I don't really like channels as much, but one thing I've noticed about them is we'll get the initial break and then the next day just breaks right back and closes above. So we'll see how much momentum expansion comes into this close, or if it does get bought back, we just have to wait for now. But as of right now, it's looking more than likely that it's wanting to break down from here. So let's be careful on Tesla right now. US 30s doing just fine today. Basically, it doesn't really hold tech, and tech is the reason we're having this big drop today. So it's doing just fine, basically unchanged on the day. You can see S&P and NASDAQ had big pullbacks, but getting brought back up a little bit, but they're the reason why the markets are down more today. The dollar is looking like it's setting up, had a bounce, but now it's setting up for another rejection. If it does, expect to see gold make new all-time highs again and get bought back really quickly. But for now, it doesn't look terrible. We'll wait and see how this closes as well. But it's looking like a confirmation, at least for gold, for now. The VIX had a big pop today, hit 20, but right back down to 17. So maybe this is short-lived. Usually when there's something really big going on, the VIX stays hot and it just keeps grinding higher into a broader pullback. So it's good to see in terms of a long-term holders that the market's consolidating back down here. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much the update for today. Gold's actually already moved up like $20-$30 from when we talked. It's crazy how fast gold moves right now. Compared to just a year ago, you would not see a $20 move move like this in a second. It's crazy. But yeah, that's the update for today. Stay safe, manage your risk well in these markets, and good luck on your trading. I'll be back with new updates soon.